Welcome to the UK Professional Development Academy LMS portal tutorial. In this video, we will guide you through the complete onboarding and portal access process. You will receive an email containing your LMS portal credentials. Click on Login to your portal from the email. This will take you to the UK Professional Development Academy LMS portal. Click on a platform login to continue. Use the credentials provided in the email. Click on Secure Access. Complete your profile by adding the required information. Once your profile is completed, click on Continue to Documents. Upload all the required documents in the designated sections. After uploading your documents, click on Continue to Assessment. Add the required details and answer the assessment questions carefully. Click on the Take Questionnaire to get your VARK score. Fill in the questionnaire by selecting the most suitable answers. Once completed, click on Complete and Save Score. Complete the remaining questions. Click on to Submit Assessment. Your profile, documents, and assessment will now go under review. After some time, you will receive a verification email. Open the email and click on Continue Learning. Use the same provided credentials to log into the portal again. Your LMS portal will now open successfully. Take a moment to check out all the sections available in your portal. Thank you for watching.